I'm in creative mode in person. Gotta start off with the basics. Most people driving, getting stuff accomplished, but they not leveling up. In everything they deal with, organizing. They're not standing out like me. They just living life and sleeping on a lot of stuff. Not me. I'm adventurous, open-minded. I'm like a puzzle. So time for these tools. Don't you wonder when you see tools there all the time, but you never have the bother, the urge to do it? You walk past this place, you see it all the time, but you will never go in there. I'm gonna stop doing all that. Like the place I went to, 105th South Halsted, Chicago. That church, I went in there, slept on the alley. Just posted a video. The topic of the tropic. Healthy way. This is the healthy. Get you some metal. Get you all this time. Make no noise. Like bro, around my foot, in my shoes. It's gonna be outside and inside. And the soles outside of the bottom of the shoe.